Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can add payment gateways to your WooCommerce website. Okay. In last videos, we have created our WooCommerce store using WordPress and we have customized many things like we have added the menu, we have created a home page and many more things. Okay. And if you didn't watch that video, you can go back and watch them from the playlist. Okay. And now in today's video, I will show you how to add payment gateways for your WooCommerce store. Okay. For that, you can see that go to the cart page and you'll be able to see the products what we have added to the cart, and just click on proceed to checkout, and we'll be able to see all the information what the customer need to fill in order to check out. Okay, but here you can see that we didn't add the payment options. Okay, that's why we cannot place the order. Okay, so for doing that, you can go back to your admin panel, and from here you can go to WooCommerce and go to settings, go to payments, and here you will be able to see a lot of payment gateways which are available. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the cash on delivery. Just click on enable and just finish setup, and you can add all the details. Like if you want to add anything, you can just add this one, or the messages or anything with the user need to or the customer need to see that. Okay, and after that just click on save, refresh the checkout page, and you will be able to see the cash on delivery. Okay, now what we need to do is we have enabled the cash on delivery, so we also need to add a card payment gateway. Okay, like in our case we are going to use Stripe, which is more popular here in UAE and many parts of the world too. So what we can do is we can go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here you can search for WooCommerce Stripe, and you can find WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. Just click on install now and click on activate. Okay, now go back to your WooCommerce settings and go to payments, and you will be able to see new option called Stripe, and a lot of options here. Okay, see this all are the various versions of Stripe. Okay, so this is the Stripe what we are going to use. Okay, just click on enable, and you have to connect to your Stripe account. Okay, so just click on connect an account. This will take you to your Stripe account, and here you have to enter your Stripe details. Okay, once you log into your Stripe account and click on connect, now your WooCommerce store is connected with Stripe. Okay, so if you don't have any issues, you will be able to get all those details. Okay, you are successfully done, and you will be able to see all those details here. Okay, now I can just click on save change, go back to your checkout page, refresh the page. Here you can see two options, one is for the cash on delivery and one is for the Stripe payment. Okay, so this is how you can enable the payment gateway or payment options in your WooCommerce website. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to add shipping option for your WooCommerce website. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.